Now we will review all of the steps for inserting and manipulating sound clips. The first step was to create a desktop folder. Right-click your mouse on an empty spot on your desktop, select New, and select Folder. When the new folder appears with the words highlighted in blue, type Audio Files and tap Enter on your keyboard. Now we can open our web browser, go to soundbible.com, and in this search box type in our topic. And click the green magnifying glass to search. Remember, we can hit play to preview the sound. And when we find something we like, we click on the link to download and save. We're going to select the MP3 icon. Navigate to our desktop folder we created called Audio Files. Name our sound. And click Save. Now we can navigate out to our desktop folder and find that our sound clip has been saved in the Audio Files folder. With PowerPoint already open, we can now insert the sound clip we saved. Click the Insert tab, click the arrow under the sound icon and select Sound from File. Now we can navigate to the desktop folder we called Audio Files and select the sound clip we saved and then click OK. PowerPoint now asks, how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow? Automatically or when clicked? This time I am going to select automatically. The sound icon appears in the slide. We can move this just like a picture. Now, since it is already selected, the options under Sound Tools are already open. The sound options appear on the left side of the screen, and you can now experiment with the volume, showing or hiding the icon, looping the sound, how you want the sound to be played, and the maximum file size.